Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on ESPN Plus. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our browser. Now, unfortunately, Premier League isn't available on ESPN Plus. However, you can find a bunch of streaming platforms right here per country wherein you can watch Premier League. So each country has its own streaming platform. So just look for your country right here and then look for the available streaming platform. So let's say, for example, that we are from Australia. So as you can see right here, we have Stan Sport as our streaming platform. So we're going to open another tab and then we're going to type Stan Sport Premier League and then click on enter. After that, just click the first link right here. And then what we're going to do is to log in into our account if we already have one. However, if we don't have it yet, we're going to click on add Stan Sport. Now in this part, you'll just have to choose your preferred subscription. So if you want to avail basic, we're going to click on this and then we're going to click on continue. And then, of course, we're going to put our email address, and then, of course, our password, and then our first name. And then after that, you'll just have to put your gender, date of birth, and then put your postcode. And then after that, just click on the checkbox right here, and then click on continue. And then just complete this verification. And then in this part, you'll just have to put your payment method. So if you're paying through card, you'll just have to put your card number, the expiration date, and then of course the security code. So after you do that, just click on start watching. And once you have successfully availed their subscription, you will now be able to watch Premier League inside Stan Sports. So all you have to do is to wait for Premier League to start streaming. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.